So how could you hide a video in a VLC player on Android? So let me talk about it and show you how it would work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So VLC shows all of the videos which it can find on your device, right? So you can see right now in my VLC browse file browse section of the videos, I have these 4 right here, and that's because the built-in Files app contains 4 videos, right? So if I go in here and filter by the videos, I have the very same 4 ones which appear in the VLC player as well. So if I want to hide some of them from showing up in here, I have the ability to kind of like modify them in a sense. So for example, I'm going to hold down on this file. Keep in mind that right now I'm inside of the Files app, not in the VLC app. And in here, when I hold down on it like this, on this particular video, I have the ability to edit it, right? So if I click on the more options, I can tap on rename. And if I want to hide it from VLC, I can change the extension from MP4 and I can add some text in there. So what I could do is to tap on these symbols in here, add the underscore, which is right here, and I type in the word hidden like this. And when I click on the done, it's going to warn me that it might make the file unusable, but we are doing this on purpose. So I'm going to click on change like this. And as you can see, it is now hidden away, meaning that it is no longer going to be part of the VLC either, because it's kind of hidden like this, right? So it is now not even showing up when I filter it by the videos, because it is not technically a video anymore, but it is most definitely going to be there, right? So it depends on where it was, but you will be able to look it up by the file name and so on, and you will have the ability to find the video from now on. And so if you ever want to change your mind and find the file again, you can just look it up by the same extension. So it's going to be the MP4 underscore hidden. You're going to find the same file in here and basically reverse the process by removing the hidden part of the extension and making sure it's only going to be the MP4, which is going to turn it into a regular video right here. So it should be part of the list now. So that's how you can temporarily hide it away. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you in the next videos as well.